Hi everyone, my name is Rabia. I have been given an opportunity by Beautyhood to take over Snapchat for a day, and today I will be showing you guys my everyday look with some tips and tricks. So please stay tuned and thank you for watching. These are the products I've used for the serum and essence lotions for the brightness on my face. As you can see, I have already blow dried my hair and I have applied the Body Shop Drops of Light serum and essence lotion on my face, which is really, I feel, important to make my skin more smooth before doing any further process for the makeup. So the first step I do in my makeup is to do my eyes, and for that I'm going to prime my eyes with MAC Pro On-Board Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So this is how I prime my eyes. After priming my eyes, I will be using this Morphe brush and the Morphe 350 M palette, and I will be taking this shade and I'm going to put it on my eyes. I'm going to be brushing it all over my eyes just to have it a neutral tone and blend it with the primer and make my skin even. Can you see the difference with this and this? I'm taking this Morphe brush and going to apply this shade on my crease. I'm going to apply the transition shade. Next, I'm using the same brush but a different shade. Now I'm going with a different brush which is slightly pointy at the tip, and I'm using a bit darker shade just to draw a line on my crease. I'll be holding the brush which is slightly away from my face and I'm pointing this part just to highlight. And it's a very slow windshield wiper motion. I'm going with the same brush but the next darker shade, which is slightly next to my previous shade that I used. My point is to go in this area, which is like kind of the V of my eye, and use circular or windshield motion, circular or windshield motion. Now I'm going with Morphe M506 brush and I'm using this shade. This is this very slow and circular motion. This packing brush which comes in my kit, it doesn't have any number, and I'm taking this shade. I'm using this shade starting from the bottom and going a little bit upward, not to touch my crease. I'm going to use this blending brush just to even out everything. Eyeshadows are done and I'm going to clean if there is any excess or fallout. I'm going to use this product for moisturizing my rest of the face. I'm going to use this MAC Match Master Foundation, which I feel is really good for my everyday makeup because it gives me very light or medium coverage. I'm going to blend my face with this sponge. It's not a Beautyblender, it's some regular drugstore sponge. Next is I'm using concealer, which is NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Custard. Same sponge that I used for my foundation, and I'm blending my concealer out. Setting my concealer, I'm using this Marcel Face Powder in shade Translucent. Now I let my concealer set with the translucent powder, and in the meantime I'm going to do my eyebrows by using Essence Eyebrow Pencil in shade Brown. Best tip I can give you for your eyebrows that you have to make sure that this nose bone is slightly connecting with your baby hair, and it's going to give you a very smooth look. Now I've removed the excess powder and my brows are set. Eyeliner, I'm using this MAC Black Track Pro Longwear Flute Line, and I'm using this brush, which is a liner brush from the Body Shop. For the eyeliner, the tip I can give you is I have drew 3 dots here just to make sure that I get the right angle. As you can see that I have drew this outline for the eyeliner and I'm going to fill it in. Now I'm going to apply these false lashes, which are from Lily Lashes in Havana. Here you can see the final look of my eyes after wearing those lashes. I'm in love with these. You can use any false lashes. Next step is contouring, and I'm using this Anastasia contouring kit and these Morphe brushes. For the contouring, I can tell you that you need to know your face. I know that I need to contour this part of my nose, the side of my cheek, side of my face like this, just to bring it straight. These 2 jaw lines and this part of my forehead. For my blush, I'm using this Per Cosmetic blush brush and Tarte palette blush Skillful. Now for the blush application, I'm going to put my brush here and just going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Now I'm going to use this MAC matte lipsticks in shade Whirl and Mare with Essence Lip Liner in Soft Berry. Now I'm done with my face and I'm going to set it with Prep and Prime Fix Plus by MAC.